Hey YouTube, how's it going? So today I'm going to have a brief demonstration of the Griot's 3-in-1 leather cleaner, which is this guy right here. It's a pretty good product that I've been using for a bit. I just bought a new bottle because it's that good. So I clean my seats every 6 months, or twice a year, because I don't use the rear seats that much. But I wanted to show an example on how good this leather cleaner is, and I really recommend it. It gives a nice scent of leather smell in your car. I wish you could smell it right now. And it also cleans it really good, and it takes away that nasty shine that they get over time. So even if you don't use them, still the air in your car, the nastiness that is floating around in your vehicle soaks into your seats. So even though you don't use them, they still get dirty, and they have that nastiness on it. So also you want to protect your seats every so often, because leather, if it dries out or if you don't give it treatment over time, it's going to crack. So now I'm going to show you the video on how this product works and how it cleans the seats. All right, so now we're going to start off. First, this is the little towel that I use. Yeah, it looks dirty. It is clean. I washed it, and I've been using it all day on the car. And here's the clean seat. All right, the one I cleaned off. It has a little bit of overspray over here. I didn't get to clean that off, but you see how this one looks clean, and then you have this side over here which is shiny, right? It's nasty, it's shiny, and we're gonna get that shine off, because that shine is, you know, some products that you use might give you a shine on it, but you don't want that, right? You want it to look like that as much as possible. So so you can see right here where I cleaned it, and up here is still shiny, and we're gonna get rid of that right now. So what I have is this guy right here, leather 3-in-1 spray from Griot's Garage. And what you're gonna do first, before we start, you want to grab a little brush like this and go in between the seams, right, and get all the dirt out. I already did that, so I'm not going to do it, but this is how you do it. You just go in here and you get all the dirt out, right, because you don't want to move that dirt around, and you don't want to scratch your seats more than they already are. All right, and you want them looking like this. See how it looks? Not like this, shiny, and light here doesn't do it justice, but they are shiny. All right, so first of all, again, let me do it, start it off. So you go here and you spray the Griots, and let's do that corner on the top of that right seat or the left seat. And let's see how he gets it clean real quick. All right, there we go. Gotta give it a nice hard push on there. There we go. Look at that. You can see, I don't know how the video is showing it up shiny, but it doesn't look shiny at all. Over here from my side, it looks nice and dry. Alrighty. Over here, get that seat all cleaned up. All right, now we're gonna go and do, put this thing right here, oh my God. All right, we're gonna fold this bad boy. We're gonna try to use the other side that we did. This side is dry. We're gonna go right here. We're gonna again spray it. Then we're gonna go on the seat. All right. So a lot of people, you know, they say that you have to use it, go in different ways. So you gotta go up and down or side to side. Doesn't really matter to me, as long as you get that dirt and that nastiness out of there. It's good. Now you can even see it, like as soon as I pass you can see the bottom right here. You can see it right there and down. That's shiny, and this is not. Weird angle right there, but anyways. All right, I'm gonna hit it up, and then I'll show you the end results. All right, so now that I just went through it, I'm gonna go through it with a dry towel, slightly dry towel. I'm gonna get that shine off, and you can see it there. So I already did the seats, but I missed that little piece of dirt, whatever the heck that was. Also, when you try to do this, make sure your nails are not long you don't have really long nails, try to trim them bad boys, because you could cut into the leather with your nails. That's a no-no. Any sort of cuts on your leather is gonna eventually keep going. Once you tear a little bit open, it's gonna just continually open up and keep going and going and going. All right, so there you go. That's my dry towel, or almost slightly dry, and that's my dirty, not my dirty, my wet towel. So dry and wet, boom, dry. Nice matte color on it. You know, shiny nastiness. Nice. You want your shiny leather seats to look not shiny. And I tried my best not to put anything back here. And but if you fold your seats and you have something there, more than likely the sun is gonna cook that thing on there. And what's gonna happen is you're gonna end up having an eternal crease on your seats. You don't want that. Also, that rear seat right there. So make sure that thing is all the way up. Keep them up when you're cleaning, and if you could get all up in here and get all that dirt out. And once you're done, you can put them down. And that's it. If you got any comments or questions, or somehow you could do it better than I just did, just let me know. Like I said, the seats were already nice and clean, so you know, if you have dirtier seats, then that's on you. But I'm gonna try to keep your stuff clean, and this is how I do it. And I just wanted to make this video because this thing works. Like I said, this is my second bottle, and I clean all my seats with it. All right, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, whatever you want to do. I'm starting with my cars, and you know, cleaning your vehicles is a big thing. Thank you, and have a good day.